Okay, now we're going to be compounding suspensions, and this particular suspension is ibuprofen suspension, and we're looking at the master formula as well as the prescription. Also, after doing our calculations, which you will be doing in class, we have arrived at our new formula. And the new formula has 1.25 grams of ibuprofen powder, 1.26 grams each of tragacan compound and sodium citrate, benzoic acid BP 5% solution 1.3 mils, syrup 18.9 mils, and that's added up to 63 mils. So we're going to dissolve the sodium citrate in water because of the solubility and the fact that its solvent is water. Now, if the solubility is 1 in 10 and we have about 1.26 grams to dissolve, it means you need at least 13 mils of water. So we're not going to measure the water, we're just going to guesstimate it. So this is a 100 ml beaker. We have a 20 ml mark here, so we're just going to guesstimate about 13 mils. Okay, so I've added the ibuprofen and the tragacan compound, and I am just going to lightly triturate. We're not going to break down any particle size, it's already small. So we're going to lightly triturate just to get the powders to be a little bit homogeneous. We are going to add maybe about half of this syrup to make a smooth paste. Once you have made that smooth paste, then you add the remaining syrup. Try to keep your mixture towards the center of your mortar because they'll go to the sides. Okay, so we have our smooth paste. But as you recognize, this is not very pourable. So we would add the beaker, which is water, at this point to make this pourable. However, remember that sodium citrate solution that we had made? I am deciding to add it at this point to make this paste a little bit more pourable. I'm adding some more water to make this even more pourable. And you're going to continue to add your vehicle to the beaker to get rid of all the residue in your dispensing container. Notice that I've gotten most of the paste into a pourable state, and now it's ready to be transferred into our container. So you may add your vehicle little at a time to ensure that you rinse all the residue into your dispensing container. The last ingredient that we have to add that's measured is the benzoic acid solution, which is the preservative. We're adding it directly to the bottle. Going to give that a little shake. And then we are going to make up the volume with our vehicle, which is water. I'm going to use my dropper because it allows for easy control.